So before I continue, one thing I just wanted to show, there's a mistake here, a bug in the display function. This should not be next, it should be t is not equal to null, not t dot next. So that's just one mistake. And then if I go back to the main function here, I create my linked list and then I say insert at head and I put 29 at head, and then I call the display function. Once I run it, you can see inserted 29 there. So if I copy this and insert at head twice, okay, and this time I'm going to insert 9 only. Now see what it does. When you inserting at head, okay, what happens is that your latest entry comes in the beginning of the linked list. Because remember, let me show you. If I have a linked list right over here like that, alright, if I insert at head, okay, say I insert 9 at head, then this is my head right over here. It's gonna insert here like that. It's gonna insert a 9 here. So then once I print out my linked list, it's gonna print out this, then it's going to display this, then it's gonna display that. It's gonna display 953. So that's what's happening. Although we inserted 29 first, when we insert at head, then it's gonna show the 9 before the 29. On the other hand, when I insert at tail, something different happens. See that 9 appears first and 29 appears after it. If I insert at tail and then I display, you're going to see something which is 29 and 9, meaning that we had 29 at the head and then we inserted at tail a 9, so it inserted after it. So if I just quickly draw the diagram, this is our head. Now we inserting at tail, this is also our tail. So inserting a tail means inserting after the head, not before the head. So then it inserts the 9 there. So once it prints out, it's going to insert 29, it's going to print out 29, then 9. So that's just the difference. And now once I go back over here, you can see that it's working. Then I can just run a find function, find 88. So if it's not gonna find, since 88 is not in our linked list, it's gonna display a 0. However, if I put a 9 inside of here, right, and 9 does exist, it's gonna output okay, it actually outputs a 0. I don't know why, that's a bug in our code. Let me just go to the find function. Okay, here it is, find function. Well, t.next is not equal to null. Yeah, I think here we should have done that as well. Let me run it again. So yeah, that was another bug we had in our find function. So there we go, insert in mid. Yeah, okay, so now it's index. Which index? Let's say we want to insert it at a -1 index. Basically you would put your index here like 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, but I'm just gonna put it at -1, meaning insert at head. Okay, and I'm gonna insert a 66. Let's see if that works or that gives us an error. Of course it gives us an error. Oh, I forgot, this should have been a insert in mid. I almost had a heart attack. Okay, thanks. Thank God it works. So yeah, that's what it is. If I want to insert 66 at the 0, or not 0, at the first index, then let's just show you how it does that. Remember, we have first 29, then we have 9. So 29 has an index of 0, 9 has an index of 1. So once it's inserting that, you can see that 0, 1, 2. Okay, so yeah, you can see 0, 1, 2. It has actually inserted after the first index.